How to enable location service. Are you guys facing issue to enable location service on Scout? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To enable location service on Scout, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you open the app, you will be able to see the option called location setting. If it doesn't pop up on your mobile application, then just simply head back to your mobile home screen. Now go to your mobile app or settings. Once you enter the mobile settings, click on apps. Head over to the Scout application. Once you enter the Scout app, click on permissions. Once you click on permissions, just simply enable this option to turn on the location service on Scout. As soon as you toggle it on, enable location service will be enabled on Scout. That's it guys, that's how we're going to enable location service on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.